What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you are cutting on, fam. So today, video, I am going to talk about Mike Andes. Now, this guy is out of Washington, and I'm not talking about DC. I'm talking about the state of Washington. And this guy is the most underrated YouTuber, lawn care provider on YouTube. I'm talking about as far as the knowledge and the content that he brings. This guy is a guru of the pros. Now, the reason why I say that is because I do watch his channel. I get a lot of great information on how to grow my business from where I'm at. I really want to get it to $1 million, and I'm trying to do it in the most shortest period of time. Now, one of the things I do like about his channel is the fact that he shares his number. And anybody out there talking about whatever they talking about, if they ain't sharing how much things cost, they ain't really trying to teach you nothing. Now, you can look up your own prices for lawn care equipment. You can do that, and that's no big deal. The thing is, when someone goes out and do a yard, how much would that cost? You know, sharing those numbers of how much you make and your the good and bad moments of lawn care, takeaways, what you learn, and what you can tell someone to avoid. That is the real guru. And Mike is one of those guys. He's a young guy, and I learned from this young man. I think he's 27, and I'm 51. So, man, yeah, he's a young man. Now, he got an old spirit, though, straight up. I mean, he is about his business, and I really appreciate and like that about him. One of the things he does have, he has a landscaper program that you can sign up for up in Washington. I know most of the people who are watching me, they probably are on the East Coast. Truth be told, I don't think I'll be flying up to Washington to do that. Now, Mike, I do have something for you though. If you ever think about putting your what you do on the road, all right, man, I'm gonna be there front row seats. You got me. I'm gonna sign up. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, so I think that would be great, Mike. That you can go ahead and set things up, and go around from state to state and help the people that you normally would help. Other than us flying all up to Washington. But I know you have a plan for that. You just seem like a dude that will already have a plan to do that. So for those people who are new to the landscaping industry, Mike may not be for you because his channel is a headbanker. I'm talking about he's trying to help people get to $1 million. And some of the stuff that he normally says is really heavy into the numbers, and you have to be somewhat already doing it. I'm not saying he doesn't have anything for the newcomers. He does. But the reason why I really endorse his channel is because he can still teach me, and a lot of people follow me because of my content. So if you want to know where I learned some information from, he's one of the guys. Now, if you're a solo operator and you're just gonna do your own thing, buy your own thing, you know what I'm saying? I'll be honest with you, he is about growing other people. It ain't about just himself. He has it to where he's talking about culture. He's talking about finances. Outside of just lawn care. Now he's also growing a front. He's franchising his business as well, which is, man, I almost want a franchise, but it's almost like, man, my business is my baby, and I don't know if if it wasn't a name issue, I might even sign up to be part of his franchise. But I don't know, man. It's just something about me starting my own business, and I don't know if I can do it with the name. Now, I might have to though. You never know. You never know what life may bring. But I would say this. One of the things that I know that we are alike in is the fact that we like structure, man. And he's about structure. And for fam, if you're trying to grow your business, you need to develop it on structure. So go to his page, man. Go ahead and subscribe to his channel, because for what he brings to the table, man, he has less than 10,000 subscribers, man. And it's ridiculous because, like I said, this is the guy that other lawn care pros go to. I ain't talking about watch on YouTube. They literally go to him, sit down in front of him, and he trained them. They pay him for his training. So I'm like, yo, that's deep because I don't think we can say that about a lot of YouTubers on here who has 100,000 subscribers because they cut tall grass. You know what I'm saying? Or they show you a lawnmower that you can go see for yourself, or they entertain you, while they're cutting grass. This guy is about growing lawn care professionals who want to get their business to $1 million, and I being one of them want to get there and beyond. So I definitely borrow some of his ideas. And if I'm not borrowing his ideas, we're doing the same thing, which makes me believe I'm on the right page because I respect this young man. I don't know if he, hopefully, you don't mind me calling him young. I call him young in the sense of, man, I wish, I got a 27-year-old nephew, and he ain't nowhere near what my man doing. No shots at my nephew because I think my nephew is at the age of what he's supposed to be doing at 27. Because I wasn't doing business like that at 27. I was working for somebody. So once again, this video is to encourage Mike to keep doing what he's doing. Shouts out to him. Also to send people his way. Just so you know, I put my money where my mouth is. I have paid for his online business course. It was great. It was about $600 for me. Unfortunately, I subscribed to it late. By this time, I knew everything that he was already saying. It is great for people who want to, learn for the first time. If you just get in this business, man, you should go ahead and pay the 600 and learn from one of the best that I believe is on YouTube, and not only on YouTube, doing it. You know what I'm saying? You take it out of YouTube and say, hey, who you believe out here putting in that work, he's putting in that work. He's putting in that work. And I ain't talking about cutting people yards. We can all do that. But to be able to sit in front of another man, teach them something, and they can go out and fish for themselves. He's one of those cats. Hopefully I do that here on my channel. So please like and subscribe to the channel. Show me some love. Send some love my way because you know what? Man, we doing it for the fam. We doing it for you. You know what I'm saying? This is why we do it. We want other people to grow. And just so you know, Mike is a believer too, just like myself. And you know what? We trying to hopefully everyone can win in this business because you know why? We can't cut all this grass by ourselves. So cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.